It's Richard here again. We're going to quickly do a little training video on how to mix short run 3-part mix for ceramics and for hard metals like chromes and things like that we use it on. We've got a little order here for Jaguar Land Rover on a very posh ceramic mug. We're going to mix up a chemical for this. Okay, there's about 20 of those. We're going to mix up enough probably to do about 50 mugs. I think that's the minimum amount we can actually mix up before it gets really tricky. Reason being, reducer, when you get the scales that go down to like 1 gram, this one goes to 0.5 grams, so it'd be better if you got a scale at 0.5 gram, and it is better to mix with scales. It's kind of more accurate. Alright, guys that are doing it with syringes and that's, it's alright, but alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our little cup. Now this little cup we get in the market, it's a little cup you get from your Tupperware. They're about R1.50, R2. You go and buy hobos of those things and you just put that on. You see that it's between 5 gram. You zero that. Alright, now we're going to do I've always said to you guys that it's a 20-to-1 ratio. When you're doing a small run like this, we're going to up the ratio to, instead of 20-to-1, we're going to make it a 10-to-1, so that you get a little bit more reducer as a security blanket. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put 10 grams in there. It's 5. It's 8. There you go. Okay, there's 11 grams in. That's fine. I'm not unhappy with that. Alright, now we're going to take our reducer, our catalyst, and we're going to use a teaspoon here. It does help for accuracy. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to zero that quickly. Okay guys, so now you just add 1 gram of catalyst. It's popping between 1 gram and off. You can always tell a teaspoon is 2.5 grams. I've kind of gone level teaspoon. So you've got to assume that if it just pops into 1 gram, I don't want to over catalyze, you're kind of happy. Alright, now you're going to mix that. Alright, a little bit. Right, now guys, what you can do is you can zero that again. Alright, now you're going to add between 38 and 39 grams of reducer, because I know it's a 3.5 to 1 ratio on reducer. We've gone and made that a much more accurate measurement for you guys so that you guys do it right. So it's 3.5 to whatever you mix, 3.5 in reducer. So we've added more to make it thinner because it seems to help a lot in. Okay, so now we're going to go to 38 grams of reducer. That's it. That's 38 grams exactly there. And now your cup is full because we know it's a 60 gram cup here. I can now close that nicely. Oh, scale didn't like me pressing on it. Okay, and then what's nice is that you don't have to stir it now. You can give it a nice shake like they do the paintings. Gives it a very nice mix. Alright guys, and once you've done that, that's like a half a gun full. Alright, it's a half a gun full, and you'll get all those mugs done without wasting any, what's the name. Thanks guys.